4:35 is coming out the escrow.
You go to sleep with a plush green field out your window and you wake up to this. That's what happened to one farmer in California over the weekend. The circles were reported by two friends who claimed to have seen two bursts of light before dawn on Sunday morning. Now, people who popped down to have a look couldn't get close enough as security guards prevented people from touring the fields. So just how did the circles get there? Is it the work of kids or from a force above? We'll let you decide.
Are you taking pictures with your phone? Nana has it?
Nobody's gonna blow.
Let me forget my plastic bag.
Alright.
With my shoes. We're gonna have to do another trip out here today so I can get my shoes.
With no shoes or nothing. No shoes, country boy.
I'm fucking crying. That shit fucking funny as hell, nigga. Talking about country boy.